So I just did a time lapse. So it was really, really fast. And now I'm going to show you my kinetics and race cars then. So let's get started. So I have two cars. This one is a cool one, pretty cool. I was still decorated, but I forgot to. So I was still decorated, but I forgot to. So and I got this one right here. Cool too. Except I have this one like this. But this one's an outside color. This one is an inside color. It's mixed up a little bit. Okay. And so what else? And I got this whole track right here on. Let's do it. So you have to. Oh, this guy won it. Tracy this guy won then. One more lap and then I'll be done. And here we go. And this last lap. Oh yay, this guy won. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and watch my favorite video. Bye bye.